So the law of attraction, if you believe in it, then you also believe that you attract who you are and what you are, and especially the feelings that you're feeling, you're attracting those to yourself, right? And if we're all trying to make more money, we're all trying to have better relationships, we're all trying to find better intimate relationships, we're all trying to be happier, right? How are we supposed to attract those things into our life when we have anxiety, when we feel depression, when we feel nervous and jittery and we don't want to leave the house because we have so much anxiety? We don't want to do anything. We just feel so miserable. How are we supposed to use the law of attraction when we can't even change the way that we're thinking and we can't change the way that we're feeling? Well, I want to let you guys know something. There's a mega secret. It's not even a secret. Having anxiety, having insomnia, having mild depression, honestly, from the stuff that I've learned and how I've executed on the information, and multiple of my friends, there's over 40 members in the course right now, okay? Having anxiety and mild depression and insomnia is literally like being dehydrated. And why I say that is because how do you fix dehydration? You hydrate yourself, you drink some water. But a lot of people don't realize that anxiety, mild depression, and insomnia are just like being dehydrated. You're just not hydrating yourself and putting the right things inside your body, and it is causing the anxiety, insomnia, and depression. And that's where it's coming from. And I want to let you guys know something. It's very easy to fix. I promise you. I've condensed down all the information into 4 to 5 hours in this course. And it's not like these other courses you see online where they're 40, 50, 60. I've even seen 80-hour courses. Apparently that's a benefit. Now, 4 to 5 hours is all you need. I'm going to go over the important things that are absolutely going to transform your life. If you guys are interested in a little bit more, you guys want to join the other members in the course, you guys want to use the law of attraction to your best capability, you guys are not going to be let down. I promise you that. And I'm saying that because of all the feedback I've gotten and all the tremendous results that everybody else has been getting inside the course. And I want to welcome you guys to be the next testimonial. I want to welcome you guys to transform your life today and make 2020 the best year you have ever lived. Okay, that's my promise to you. Check it out. I'm on a mission to significantly help improve the lives of millions of people all over the world. And I want you to be one of those millions of people because, the law of attraction says what you give, you get. I guess I'm doing this for a selfish reason myself. It transformed my life, made my life completely better. Look how I'm talking. You might think I'm irritating or agitating. No. I just got rid of my anxiety and depression and insomnia that I was suffering with for many years. And I tried this law of attraction stuff and I didn't realize how significant of a portion this fixing this anxiety and depression stuff was. So anyways, guys, if not, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of the day. But click the button, give yourself a shot. Please check it out. There's a massive sale going on right now. I promise you guys will not be disappointed, okay? You will not be disappointed. All right, I love you guys. Bye.